And there is no answer which has come to this one question. कि 10 जनवरी से पहले आप कह रहे थे कि ऑक्शन करो और 15 को कह रहे थे जो हो गया ठीक है. प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक अर्थशास्त्री हैं. ही इज अ रिप्यूटेड इकोनॉमिस्ट. हिज क्रिटिक्स ऑल्सो कंसीड दैट विजडम टू हिम. इसमें कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक्नोलॉजी का विषय नहीं था. ये कुल मिलाकर सिंपल इकोनॉमिक लॉजिक थी, कॉमर्शियल लॉजिक थी, जो किसी भी आम व्यक्ति को भी समझ आ सकती है कि जब आपके पास एडिशनल अलॉटमेंट ऑफ इक्विटी का अप्रूवल आया कि विदेशी पार्टनर्स को दिया जा रहा है, डिड इट नॉट स्ट्राइक यू when a fraction of the company, its equity shares, are being sold for 6,000 crores, the only asset that the company has was spectrum and license. कोई सब्सक्राइबर नहीं था, कोई दफ्तर नहीं था, कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं था. The only asset was spectrum and license. He's a reputed economist. The first thing that should have struck him, and this is in relation to the latest logic, if a fraction of the company is being sold for 6,000 crores, how come his government allotted the entire spectrum for 6051? ये कहना कि भाई ये सिर्फ शेयर नहीं बेचे गए, एडिशनल इक्विटी दी गई, these are playing with logic. You had a shell company which owned a license and which had been allotted a spectrum for 1651. By expanding the holding, you sold a fraction of the holding for 6,000 crores. No asset was added, the value could not have increased, which obviously meant that the initial value was it had been undersold. And there was no technology involved in this simple economics, an eminent economist should have understood. ये कई प्रश्न हैं जो इसमें हम लोगों ने उठाए हैं इस वक्तव्य में, और निश्चय कहना कि विपक्ष की अलमारी में बहुत स्केलेटन्स हैं, there are too many skeletons in the cupboard of the opposition, that's not an answer to these questions. The Prime Minister will have to answer these questions. His then Finance Minister will have to answer these questions, and we intend raising them both outside and inside the House in the coming days. Thank you. I think the chair allows us. The government doesn't have a discretion. And if well, I am surprised at your question. If they can't be raised in the House, they can't be raised at Jantar Mantar, then where are these questions to be raised? देखिए, we are not a one issue party or an alliance as far as NDA is concerned. हम भ्रष्टाचार का विषय भी उठाएंगे, कल हम आतंकवाद का एक सदन में उठा रहे हैं, महंगाई का दूसरे सदन में उठा रहे हैं, और इन सब विषयों, किसानों का विषय उठाएंगे, और इन सब विषयों के जवाब उनको देने पड़ेंगे. One subject is not an alternative or a substitute for the other. We are going to raise all these issues. Well, I am not for a moment going beyond what I have said. I am saying, let the Prime Minister give us answers to these questions. The answer to these questions is not that there are skeletons in the cupboard of the opposition.
Sir, I just want to ask you one. Sir, I want to ask you. since you referred about Dayanani Maran, why Dayanani Maran is not in so far called the CBI since why so much of
It's a very good question, but you are asking the wrong people this question.
But again, you're the person who can throw some light on
Yes,
it.
yes, we will.
Court is monitoring this.
We will certainly take note of the spirit behind your question. I am sorry,
जवाब ऑलरेडी दे
अगर
मिनट पूरी करेंगे जो हमने तय किया
हम
करेंगे।
प्राइज राइज और टेररिज्म का विषय, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी का विषय रेज करना चाहते हैं और अगर किसी प्रकार से विपक्ष की आवाज को दबाया गया और ये विषय उठाने का अधिकार न दिया गया, आज एक मंत्री जी ने कहा है विषय उठा लो, कोई व्यक्ति दोषी है उसका नाम मत लेना। आई डोंट थिंक द गिल्टी कैन ले डाउन द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम।
अरुण जी, बीजेपी ने जो है पीएम का इस्तीफा मांगा है, आप लोगों का हाउस में स्टैंड क्या है?
जो पार्टी का स्टैंड हाउस के बाहर है वही स्टैंड रहेगा।
अंदर बदलेगा तो
कल इस्तीफा मांगा नहीं?
अब कल
कल को
देखिए, जब स्थिति आएगी तो आपको कल फ्लोर स्ट्रेटेजी अपनी बता देंगे।
The thing from the government is that they are ready for any kind of motion which entails a debate and maybe a sense of the house at the end of it. But there should be, the resolution which is moved should have no specifics in terms of names or parties or actions.
Well, this is the government on the back foot. Why should this government feel that those who have a lot to answer should not be asked to answer or should not be named? Why should the guilty be kept behind a parda?
सर इसका एक फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन है। ये भी कहा गया था ये सरकार की ओर से कि अगर वोटिंग चाहते हैं तो इतना ही की है, अगर वोटिंग में विपक्ष तो क्यों नहीं नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन लाता है उसके लिए।
देखिए, विपक्ष की स्ट्रेटेजी और रणनीति क्या है वो हम तय करेंगे और सरकार नहीं ना तय करेगी कि हम कौन से मोशन में वोटिंग लाएंगे।
Arun ji, before the Prime Minister made the statement on skeletons in the cupboard, we heard a Congress spokesperson, at least for 2 days, when you were away in Bangalore, very specifically saying,
You see, you
so
can.
my question is, are there skeletons in your cupboard?
Well, if you or the Congress or any one of you have even the slightest material to indicate that, please raise it. We will not make a counter allegation against you, but we will answer that. The answer is there is none, and therefore there is no reason why any one of us should go on the defensive. Well, it's a part of their right to carry on their campaign. It is, we agree with some of the points they are making, we may not agree with some of the points we are making, but we are neither going to ever impute any motive to them, nor are we going to question their right to do so. They are civil society organizations, they carry on their campaigns and they have full right to use all legitimate methodology to carry on their campaigns. देखिए, निश्चित रूप से
आइडेंटिफाई किए इश्यूज में
जो इशू हम लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं, लैंड एक्विजिशन और किसान के साथ न्याय हो, ये उन विषयों में से है। और जैसे ही ये बिल सरकार बातचीत शुरू करती है, चर्चा में लाती है और जो सरकार अपना प्रपोजल फॉर्मुलेट करती है, तो निश्चित रूप से हम उस पर रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे।
Arunji, you were in Bangalore to resolve a crisis and BJP in all probability.
देखिए, इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस। The outgoing chief minister yesterday has resigned. We have, Shri Rajnath Singh and I have completed discussions with all the MLAs, MPs and MLCs and other party functionaries. There is a democratic process of electing a new leader. And that meeting is fixed day after tomorrow at 11 in the morning.
कृष्ण जी, आपसे
Your outgoing chief minister
देखिए, ऐसा है कि हर व्यक्ति को जो विधानसभा में है या पार्टी में है, अपने सुझाव देने का पूरा अधिकार है। और अल्टीमेटली जो चुनाव होता है और जो सिलेक्शन होता है, या दो तरीके से हो सकता है, या इधर वी डू इट बाय अ कंसेंसस और वी डू इट even by an electoral method. Both methodologies are perfectly acceptable within the internal functioning of the party. और इसलिए why the outgoing chairman? Every other functionary has come and in confidence given us his suggestions. Shri Rajnath Singh and I have met 118 out of 121 MLAs. Some were abroad, so we could not meet them. And these 118 we have met them on a one-to-one basis, group. एक एक करके अकेले मिले हैं सबसे, तो हर एक ने अपना सुझाव दिया है।